Hello there! YouTube chapters can help you grow and get discovered on YouTube. Here's how. YouTube chapters are similar to chapters in a book. Chapters in a book help you get to key moments of the book, or, in the case of YouTube, the video. Every video has key moments, and those moments are valuable. Whether you're telling a cinematic story, helping people with a tutorial, creating a list video, or showing your life in a vlog, you can utilize YouTube chapters. In fact, you can see them in action under this video now. So head to the description down below, expand past the Read More section, and you'll see this video's YouTube chapters. And hey, while you're down there, maybe consider giving this video a like and subscribing? Anyway, I'm Andrew Can, and if I can use YouTube chapters to help viewers watching, then you can too. Let's start with how to add YouTube chapters. The place you add YouTube chapters is in your video's description. You get 5,000 characters in a YouTube description, so I recommend adding them after the first 200 characters. I recommend this because you want to use those first 200 characters to accurately describe your videos. You can add YouTube chapters when uploading your videos or by editing an existing YouTube video page. For this video, I'll edit an existing video edit page. To do this, head to YouTube Studio. On the left-hand side, click on the content box here. Then, select the video you want to edit by clicking on this pencil icon. This will bring you to the description. I selected my Joby GorillaPod review to show you YouTube video chapters in action. To start adding YouTube chapters to your video descriptions, you'll want to start with 00:00 and a chapter title. The title of your YouTube chapter is super important, since YouTube chapter titles can show up in search results. My advice is to do research on your topic and try to make the chapters things people are actually looking for. Now, a couple of things to know when adding chapters. They need to be a minimum of 10 seconds long. There needs to be at least 3 of them to function within the video, and they need to be in ascending order. Let's look at how to start and stop a chapter. The end of a YouTube chapter is when the next point begins. So in my Joby GorillaPod review, that's about 1 minute and 54 seconds in. That starts my next talking point. So as you can see here, my intro is at 0 and my first chapter jumps to 1 minute and 54 seconds in. That starts my new idea / point for this video. If people have a question that you answer in the video, make that answer the chapter name, so it can show up as a solution. Here's an example of the chapters while searching on Google. As you can see with my Joby GorillaPod 3K review, the video and its chapters show up. You can expand it by clicking here to see the chapters. This gives you a chance to show up on Google because Google owns YouTube. Google wants to give a higher priority to YouTube videos so they can make more money in the long run. That want from Google is your gain as the creator. An interesting fact about this feature is that a YouTube rep told me and some of my friends at VidCon 2018 that they were planning to make a feature with interactive timestamps. As we can tell, that ended up being the YouTube video chapters feature. My concern back then is that it could affect watch time negatively, but as I found out by using the feature, it doesn't for any of my videos. Let's take a look at how you can see if your YouTube video chapters are performing for your YouTube videos. In your YouTube dashboard, select your content and then select the videos whose analytics you want to look into further. For me, it will be my sandbag video. Once you're in analytics, go ahead and select engagement, and you will see your audience retention. YouTube will show you key moments for audience retention, and here's where you can see if your audience is using chapters and if they're performing. For this video, I can see where people are using chapters with these spikes in the data here. My viewers are using the chapters to watch a section again, helping them get the information and helping me with the watch time. Now sometimes, you can see with chapters that people actually might be skipping a section. That is a sign to you as the creator to watch that section and perhaps make a change for your next video. Chapters are an absolute win, and if you can, you should add YouTube chapters to your videos. YouTube chapters take a little bit of time, but they're worth the extra effort. In fact, they're so worth it that YouTube is considering adding them for creators. On the video edit page under additional options, you'll see this from YouTube. Automatic chapters. Chapters can make your videos easier to watch. You can override automatic chapters anytime by creating your own chapters in the video description. You can then select Allow Automatic Chapters when available and eligible. If you don't want YouTube chapters in your videos, that's your choice too. Just deselect automatic chapters and don't enter chapter timestamps, and no YouTube chapters will show. YouTube can try to add chapters for you, but it's only when available. I still think it's worth it to add YouTube chapters yourself, and at the time of this video, they're being experimented with showing up in YouTube search like they do in Google search, just proving the long-term staying power of YouTube video chapters. When I polled my audience, I found out that some of them are using chapters, but I think more people should be using them. So I made this video to help expand people's next YouTube chapter. Alright, that was cheesy even for me, but let me know. Are you using YouTube video chapters? And if you want to learn more about YouTube, check out what type of content to make with this video all about help, hub, and hero content. And of course, remember, I'm Andrew Can, and if I can, you can too.